Sci256, welcome to class. This is your official intro video. So I want to say thank you for being here. My name is Tomas, you can call me Doc. Go ahead and watch my intro video for a little bit more info on me. So I wanted to say class is a lot of fun. It's one of your first classes that's really environmentally science focused. And it's a nice broad overview. And it should give you an impression of sort of how society, as we've constructed it, our impacts, your impact, your family's impacts, all of society's impacts on the world, going from food production to pollution to some regulations and economics too. So all of that is housed in this class, okay? So a lot of fun. Now, one thing I want you to be very well aware of, there is a no quotation policy. I want to encourage everybody to read that syllabus, okay? Syllabus has a lot of good details in it regarding your due dates and your assignments, okay? And how much everything is worth. Now, the class structure is basically same as with what is standard in Phoenix. You've got a regular discussion post. Your primary discussion post is due on Thursdays, and then you've got 2 replies. Remember, you've got to do 2 to either myself, because I'm going to be posting in there, or to one of your classmates. Okay, that's due by Monday, but you've got to get in your primary post by Thursday because, well, if everybody leaves it till Monday, you're only going to be replying to me. Now, I highly encourage you to read what I post as well, even if you don't reply to it. I think I'm supplementing some of the information that's presented in the class with some other good info that is related, okay? So, good stuff for you to know, all right? Doesn't take very long, just read through it, okay? And let's see, so you've got that. There is a big thing that you should be aware of. There is a no quotation policy in this class, okay? I'll circle back to that. The reason for this is that I don't want to read your ability, I don't want to see your ability to copy and paste. Now, you say, how do I get the info? Well, you paraphrase it, okay? So paraphrasing is taking information that you've read, internalizing the ideas, not the words, the ideas in here, and then presenting it in your own words, okay? That's paraphrasing. Then you provide a citation. I want to highly encourage you to start practicing in-text citations. There are mandatory references that you must have for your assignments. Those are not negotiable. You've got to. I want to encourage you to start practicing in-text citations, because that's professional behavior, and you want to practice professional behavior in here, okay? So, now, back to a little bit to the paraphrasing here. It's the ideas, not the words. So a paraphrase is not taking, for example, a sentence that has 5 words in it, removing 1 and saying, yeah, that's it, that's a paraphrase, or removing 2 and saying that's a paraphrase. No. It's the idea that's presented in that data, okay? And then absolutely, yes, you must cite it, okay? Now, there's a plagiarism checker in effect. It does catch if you try to sneak stuff in through, so please don't. Right? I am providing my own textable number, so the best way, I want to encourage you to communicate with me. I know life happens, okay? So I want to encourage you to keep me informed of what's happening, because that way I can work with you better in the class, okay? So just let me know if something's happening, we can work through it, okay? My point here is to get you to understand the information. All right, so with that, I want to say again, thank you for being here. Keep me informed, and appreciate it.